In this lecture, I will guide you install Git, a very popular free and open source distributed version control system on Windows operating system. Eclipse IDE provides built-in support for Git right inside the IDE. However, it is still recommended to install Git software separately on the operating system, so you can clone the referential project from github.com outside the IDE, especially in command line environment. Firstly, we need to download the Git installer program from its official homepage, so head over to git-scm.com. This is the official homepage of Git software, and click the download button for Windows here to download the latest release of Git. And you can see the download is downloading the Git setup program for Windows 64-bit. Okay, download complete, and click the downloaded file to launch the Git setup program. And here comes the Git setup program. The setup is easy. Mostly we use the default options, and click next. Choose the default options here. Next, and here choosing the default editor used by Git. If you were familiar with Vim on Linux, you can use Vim on Windows. I choose Notepad as the Git default editor, and click next. The default branch name will be master. Let Git decide. Next, we choose all the default options. Check out Windows style. Next, use a Windows default console window. Next, install. So it is installing Git software program on Windows. Okay, done. Uncheck view release note and click finish. And now open a new command prompt window to verify if Git has been installed properly or not. And in the command line, just type Git, and you can see it displays a list of Git commands. That means Git has been installed successfully on Windows. Okay. And later in the next section, I will show you how to use a Git command to clone the referential project from github.com.